Hello again, and welcome to another Marc Harvill YouTube tutorial video. Let me tell you what I've got going on right now. I've started a new painting, and this is a commission painting. So I'm pretty excited to be working on this. I've gotten a little bit ways through it now. Obviously, I've added our background, started painting in our first figure here, blocked in some of the clothing. But what I want to review in this video is the hand, or the hands. So I've got this hand right here that I want to work on, and this gentleman's holding a glass in his hand. Hands, drawing hands, painting hands can be a challenge. There's no doubt about it. There's a lot that goes into that. So I know that some folks certainly struggle with the hand. So what I want to do in this video is I want to review how I go about, or demonstrate how I go about painting in this particular hand right here. I've got my oil palette all laid out, got my colors all ready to go, my brushes. So let me go ahead and jump into this and demonstrate how I paint in this hand. And so I like to begin by going with the dark colors, kind of painting in the shadows beneath the fingers. So I've already, of course, pre-drawn this out. And I would also mention that I don't really use mediums. I rarely even go into my mineral spirits. It's really just the paint right from the tube. Sometimes I'll thin it down a little bit if I need to make it slide smoother. But other than that, it's really just right from the tube. I think that's about as far as I can get doing a wet on wet with oil paint. What I think I'll do is I'll let this dry, and then I'll likely come back over with maybe some glazes, maybe a little bit of dry brush blending, and just kind of do some subtle improvements and some changes, which is pretty common. This middle finger right here, I'm going to have to, I made it a little bit too thick at the base here, so I'll probably come back through when I paint in the rest of the clothes, and I'll thin that out just a little bit and get the right angles. But for the most part, I'd say we're probably 95% done with what we wanted to do on the hand. So I hope that was helpful for you, and I just once again ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please continue to ask for or offer suggestions on things that you'd like to see. And other than that, until next time, thanks for tuning in.